Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to link your social media to Wix websites in 2024. So, of course, adding your social media and links to your site is a great way to connect with your audience and also boost your online presence or even add your subscribers, followers, whatever they're called, on your socials. So to do so, make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to log in into your Wix account. For me, here I'm using Brave browser. For you can use whatever you want. Go to the URL section, just go and type basically wix.com, hit the enter button, and this should take you to the home screen and main screen. Of course, first of all, if it's your first time, you'll be taken here. Click on login to log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, click on get started instead, or basically click on sign up to create an account right away. As you can see, you can use Google, Facebook to create an account, or for login, you can even add Apple if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. For creating, just remove Apple. You don't have Apple for create. So once you logged in or just created your account, you'll find yourself here. As you can see, you find multiple sites or basically the dashboard. If you don't have a site already, you can just go and create a new site. You can even create sites using AI. I've already made a video on how to create sites using AI. You can go check us out. Other than that, basically here, I'll just go and show you how to add your social media to your Wix websites in both Wix Editor and Wix Studio. A little bits of difference between them, just normally the interface and some actual difference between them. So I'll show you both in case you get used to one of them. That's both. So let's start by Wix Editor because normally it's the one that loads faster. This one will take some 15 seconds or something like that. So just go start with that. So here, to add your social media icons, of course, you'll need to go into this. Of course, you'll have to, if you want to create a single page for it, or you want to put them in footer. I don't know where you want to add them. Let's say, for example, you want to add them in the footer of the homepage. So just go to this left panel, click on Add Element, and here you go to Search and type like social. The enter button, as you can see, so you can find social bar where you can connect to multiple stuff. So we have for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, whatever suits you. As an example, for me, I'll use this one because it has like back or black like background, which will be good for me. So I'll just go here, add it, and drop it on my footer, by the way. So, okay, it does not even like look or see in there. It does not look good. Okay, I'll add this instead, maybe. Should I add this or another one? So let me just check again. Okay, this has no Instagram, so I'll just go and add this. Why not? So I'll just go and add this, as you can see. Now I can simply just go, okay, yeah, sorry. So I'll just go and click on set social links. All you need to do, just click on each one of them, click on that link in here and change it. So change it with the link of your like account, Instagram account. For example, I'll just go here to my Instagram and I'll go to my profile, of course. And as you can see, be nice with all. So sure, be nice with all. Can open this a new window, current window. New window is always better for social media, so make sure to choose new window. Click on done. The same will be for this. Facebook, you'll have to do the same. So I don't know like about my Facebook. So I'll just go here as example, and I'll just type tests random. Make sure to fill up all of them. Click on done. Of course, to check them, just go and click on preview. And yeah, just go and click on it. So let's just wait for the PDF to load. Yeah, just go and click on it and see if it's going to take you to my websites or to my accounts. It took me to my account. The same for this should take us to slash tests. Yeah, it's not available because it's slash test. I don't know. Of course, this will take us to Wix, I guess, or something like that because I just entered some random one. And of course, as an example, so let me just wait. So yeah, it took us to X anyway. So an example, I'll just go here to back to editor and to show you something. So let's just go back in here. So example, if I go and click on it and click on such social link, maybe as an example, here you want to replace this Twitter icon. You didn't want it because it's too old. You can click here and replace icon. As an example, you can simply just look for X. As you can see, X in here. So just go and choose it or choose like a white one. Why? Because I have, for me, I have like a black background. So white one will look great. Just check it again. So yeah, as you can see, the white one looks much better. If you didn't want any, like this YouTube For TikTok example, I'll just go and delete it. Delete LinkedIn. Let's just YouTube. We can even replace the image. It's an old one. So just go and type YouTube in here. Enter button. It's okay. This is good. I like this. For Facebook as example, it seems old a little bit. So I'll just go and change it. Facebook. So the same. Yeah, I'll choose this. Sure. Instagram. It seems old a little bit. So Instagram here. And yeah, this looks nice. Click on done. As you can see, fresh. Very good. I guess like this footer will be added to all the pages, but let me just go and check. As example, go to this main page, as you can see. So since I added to the footer, it will be added to all pages. This is for Wix Editor. For Wix Studio, it's going to be basically the same. I'll just go and add this again to the footer because it will be added to all pages. So click on the plus button, go and look for socials, or simply just type it here. So social bar, yeah. So I'm looking for basically. Normally you should be finding it here. So again, put it wherever you want. Maybe an example in here. Of course, you can even look for other things. For example, in the social bar, if you click on it, of course, so they have one in Wix Studio Teams, but it's fine. So just go and click on it, double click on it, click on set social link, and it's going to be the same. You'll be able to put links, change icons if you didn't like, and you can simply just remove image. You can also, as an example, click on the plus button to zoom to see if it's looking like good or something like that. I don't know. I'll delete even TikTok. So 4 is good. Click on done. Link them, of course, to your accounts. You can even change the text as example. So instead of Instagram as example, you can put whatever you want. YouTube as example, I don't know. You can put it all caps or something like that. Click on done as example. So not change something here, but you can put whatever you want. It's actually up to you in the end. Once you edit all of everything, make sure to save the changes or publish it so everything will be good. And that's you basically how to link your social media to your Wix website. Yeah, you can test this, of course, on there. Click on preview and test everything. If everything will look correctly, publish it, and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.